Hello Somas, happy Monday. I am doing another video again this week. I got really great feedback from the video that I shared last week, so here I go again, and wanting to share with you what's coming up in class this week. And on the 22nd of September we come to the autumn equinox, and as we know, the equinox is where the daylight and nighttime light is the equal length, and this balances beautifully with our somatics practice, where we are creating balance through the front, the back and the sides of our body. We're balancing out the muscles between the back, the front and the sides. And this week I'm going to pay attention to releasing the muscles through the back, where we can tend to be arched and pulled back. That addresses what is known as the fight-flight response, and also balancing that with the muscles through the front. So the pectoral muscles, the chest and the abdominal muscles. And this relates to the freeze response. And we know these in somatics as the red light and green light reflexes. And then carrying on with this theme, next week we'll be addressing these sides of the body, and also known as the right side, the masculine, the sun energy, the left side, the feminine, the moon energy. And in this week's practice, I'll also be blending in some of my yoga experience, a few breathing practices to help create that balance as well. So I hope you can join me this week. If you are new to somatics, I recommend that you start with my beginner series. I have a video series that you can access, and then after practicing that and going through that, you can join me online. All right, Somas, have a great week. I really hope I get to see you. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.